Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by loading the spool and engaging the bobbin winder. This sets tension correctly so the thread feeds. While it winds, watch for uneven coils. Stop, rethread the spool, and restart if needed. Once the bobbin is evenly filled, cut the tail to about 1/4 inch and secure it so it won't unwind. Make sure to use the bobbin type recommended for your machine. Using the wrong size changes tension and causes skipped stitches later. You place the bobbin into the case following the arrow. This controls pull direction and tension. Guide the thread into the tension spring or channel until it clicks. Leave a 2-inch tail to catch with the top thread. Then, lower the needle and slowly turn the handwheel toward you. This brings the bobbin thread into the throat plate. If it doesn't appear, reseat the bobbin and repeat. Correct seating prevents snarls and ensures the hook catches the thread reliably. You draw up bobbin thread by holding the top thread while turning the handwheel until a loop appears. Pull both threads back under the presser foot about 3 to 4 inches. Once done, make a short test seam on scrap fabric, 10 to 12 stitches, to confirm stitch balance. If stitches loop on the bottom, increase top tension or reseat the bobbin. If tight or puckered, loosen top tension slightly. One troubleshooting tip: if thread still loops, check for lint in the bobbin race.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.